Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get sturdy. To begin, understand that getting sturdy involves energetic, rhythmic movements. Focus on developing strong foundational steps and a good sense of timing. Start by warming up your body for 5 to 10 minutes to prevent injury. This guide will help you build confidence and skill from the ground up, ensuring a fun and safe learning experience. Now, let's dive into some core moves. Start with the woe, dropping your body low and holding for a beat. Then, practice the shoot, stepping with one foot and kicking the other leg out. Focus on clean execution and maintaining balance. Dedicate at least 15 minutes to practicing these basic steps daily. Repetition is key to building muscle memory and confidence in your movements. Once you're comfortable with the basics, it's time to add your personal flair. Integrate arm movements and body isolations to make your dance more dynamic. Try moving to various music genres and tempos to expand your versatility. Focus on connecting your steps seamlessly, creating a fluid and continuous flow. This helps develop your unique style and makes your sturdy dance truly your own. To truly master getting sturdy, consistent practice is essential. Aim for at least 20 minutes of dedicated practice every day. Recording yourself can provide valuable insights, helping you spot areas for improvement. Also, observe experienced dancers to gather new ideas and refine your technique. Remember, progress takes time and patience, so enjoy the journey of developing your sturdy skills.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.